Learn Tonga or Xitonga. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to greet in Xitonga. There are two ways you can greet in Tonga. One is informal. This is when you're addressing people of your age or people that you don't necessarily have to address with respect. Or singular, when you're addressing to just one person. And then there is formal. This is when you're addressing people that are not of your age, for example, your parents, or maybe your boss, or under respectable grounds. Or it can also be used as a plural. It can also be used under plural circumstances when you're addressing more than one person. All right, so let's move on. So, how are you is ulibuti or mulibuti. Or you can just say wapona buti or mwapona buti. Basically means the same thing. I am fine, thanks, and how are you? Ndiriga wotu ulibuti or ndiriga wotu mulibuti or gabotu mwapona buti or gabotu wapona buti. Good morning, wabuga buti or mwabuga buti. This direct translates to how did you wake up? And this is how you respond. Good morning to you too. Gabotu mwabuga buti or gabotu wabuga buti or gabotu mwabuga buti. Good afternoon. You can still say wapona buti or mwapona buti. Good afternoon too. Gabotu wapona buti or gabotu mwapona buti. Good evening. Walibizia buti or mwalibizia buti. Good evening to you too. You can still say the same thing. Gabotu walibizia buti or gabotu mwalibizia buti. Or you can also say wasia buti, and then you can respond the same way. Gabotu wasia buti. Good night is one gabotu or mone gabotu. Good night to you too. Or thanks, good night to you too is ndalumba ayebo one gabotu or ndalumba anuevo mone gabotu.